So let's start. In today's lecture, we're gonna learn systems of equation and solutions, and we'll pick up one of the example from your book. Let's say this is one of the graph. Let's say we have here first graph, and second graph we have right here. So this intersection is our solution, right? So this intersection is our solution. Okay, this is our first condition. Second condition, we could have let's say we have, this is our first graph, and second graph we have right here. So lines are what? Parallel. So no solution. So no solution. Okay. So third condition we could have, let's say so let's say let's say this is our first graph, and second graph, this is called L1, right? Equation. So let's say this is our first graph, and second graph is lying top of each other. Exactly. Second graph, I'm gonna switch the color here. Let's say here. So second graph is lying top of this graph. So in this condition, we have like many solutions. Okay, infinity number of solution. Okay, all real numbers. Yeah, number of solution. So let's pick up some example. 4, and second equation you have 2x minus y equal -1. Can you see from there? Okay.
Yes.
So first equation, x plus y 4, 2x negative y equal -1. So we're gonna make let's draw the graph. So we're gonna make a table this side of this equation. So we're gonna call x and y, right? So now if x is 0, what's my y gonna be? If x is 0, y gonna be 4. If y is 0, what's gonna be my x? 4. So this is all set to this side. So let's go this side here. But if this is x is 0, what's going to be my y?
1.
Okay. Let's make table here. So we said x 0, right? And if x is 0, and my y gonna be 1, positive 1, right? So negative got cancelled. Okay. What's if x is 1?
2. Y will be 2.
Okay, yeah. Y would be 2?
No, it will be 3.
3. Okay.
3.
So if x is 1, so this is going to be 3, right?
3. Yeah.
Yeah, because this is a 2, right?
Yeah.
You multiply this guy by 1, this is going to be 2, and then you're taking other side. So this is going to be negative. This side is positive, right? So -2, -1, which is a -3, and Then here is a negative sign, so negative got cancelled, so y gonna be 3. So we are all set. So let's draw the graph. Okay, let's do first this one. So if x is what? 0, this is going to be 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, right? And this is 4 and 0, right? Other order pair. So let's go, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 0 is right here. And okay, so this point is right here and this is right here, right? And now we could draw the graph, right? Oops. Yeah. Okay. And let's say other graph 0 1, right? So 0 right here, 1 is right here, okay? And then 1 3, 1 is right here, 1 2 3 right here. So this point gonna be right here. Yeah. So let's draw this graph. So what's my solution now?
It's 1 and 4. The intersect 1. No.
1
1 2 3. It's not clear. So 3.
3. Okay. So 1 2 3. Okay. This is the intersection is right here. Okay.
Yeah.
So 1 2 3. Yeah. So this is 3. Okay. So this is our solution, right? So in this chapter we're gonna introduce solve the system by graphing, solve the system by what? Substitution method, solve the system by elimination method. Okay. And yeah, let's do this problem. So because we have this answer, so let's say x plus y equal 4, right? And other one was what? 2x, right? 2x negative y. Okay. You wanted to use first substitution or elimination method? Which one you want?
Substitution.
Substitution, okay. So you're going to solve for y, so you have to take this guy other side, right?
Yes.
And make sure you, I mean, still you can do it if you get into fraction. But always find, avoid fractions. But if you will solve this equation, that would be easy, right? Look what happened here. If you solve for x here, what's going to be 4 is already here, and I'm going to take y
Minus
other side,
y.
minus y. Okay. So now we solve this equation for x. So all we have to do, plug here for this
X.
for this x, right? So what are we going to do here? So 2 here, and value of the x we just got it here, which is a 4 minus y. This is the value of this x, okay? And then you have y, and then you have negative 1 here. And now we're gonna distribute here, right? So this is gonna be what? 8
minus 2y.
2y
Minus 1.
Minus y is equal to 1.
Okay, very good. So now variable one side, constant one side, right?
Yeah.
So this is what?
Minus 3y.
Minus 3y. So
minus 1 minus 8.
minus 1 minus 8.
8.
So negative what? 9.
9.
And this is what? negative 3y.
Negative 3y.
So y going to be what? Negative, negative got cancelled. So 9
3.
divided by 3, which is 3.
3.
Okay. So now we're gonna, so once we get the value of the y, you have to go back into the original equation and get the other value of the other variable, right? So since we have y equal 3, so we're gonna go back here. So x plus 3 equal what? 4, and x gonna be what? So you just take x equal what? So 3 you have to take other side, right? So 4 minus 3, which is what? 1.
1.
So see here, we have 1 here. X is what?
1.
This method is solve the system by graphing, right? The
Yes.
first one we did, solve the system by graphing. So here is a solve the system by graphing. So this is the solve the system by substitution method, right? This is
Yes.
substitution method. Okay. Method. Okay. So this is right here. Solve the system by substitution method we just did, right? Okay. So see, we have like same answer, right? So x is 1 and y is what?
3.
Y is 3. Okay. So let's say you want to use elimination method. So x plus what? Y,
Y.
4, and now you have 2x
X.
minus what? Y equal what?
Negative 3.
Negative 1. So in this case we're going to be using solve the
Multiply
system by,
the first equation by 2.
right?
That's, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
So it's 3s.
So we're going to cancel. Elimination mean you add both sides, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Elimination method is also called addition method, right? So in this case we could cancel this
This.
negative and positive y, right? So we left with 3.
3x is equal to 3.
3.
Yes, 3. So x is going to be what?
1.
And then negative.
Not 3 positive, not negative.
Oh yeah. This
3
is
positive.
positive. Yeah. So 3 over 3. So which is what?
1.
1.
3 equal 1. So once you have a value of the x, you could go back again into the original equation, which is right here, right? So original equation is x plus y equal what? 4. So in this case
4.
now 1 here plus y equal 4. Y gonna be what? 3.
4 minus 1.
4 minus 1, which is what? 3.
3.
So see, we have same answer. So this is our elimination method, right? So this is elimination method, and we have x 1, y equal 3, and here we have what? A substitution method, right? And we have x 1, y equal 3, and here we have graphing method, right? So x is what? 1 and y is 3. So we have exactly same answer, right?